Vida Queens, it's Ashe. I'm coming to you from the land of Solvita in Medellin, Colombia. And today I want to talk to you about gratitude. When we want things in our lives, I have learned that it is very important to give thanks for the many small and large blessings that come onto our path. So one of the things that has pulled me out of funk time and time again is creating a list of gratitudes. Start with like 50 things. How about 55? 55 things that you are grateful for. They can be small, they can be big. The fact that you can walk with flow, drink clean water, sit down. These are things that I learned I really took for granted, but when I had my knee injury, I really discovered, like, oh my God, I'm so thankful for a working body. So staying in the light is all about our practices and rituals in life. So I encourage you to do these 55 pieces of gratitude and then go through your everyday. Try it for a week and just every time something that feels good happens or somebody smiles or something is easy or beautiful, say thank you. Thank you. All right, thanks for tuning. Ciao.